Japan, an island nation in East Asia, has a history that spans from ancient emperors to becoming a powerful nation in the modern world. The rise, development, and transformation of Japan's empire is an extraordinary story. Let's dive into the key chapters of Japan's imperial history in 3 minutes. Japan's empire began in 660 BCE with the reign of its first emperor, Jimmu. According to legend, Japan's emperors are descendants of the sun goddess Amaterasu. This belief deeply influenced Japanese culture. During the Nara and Heian periods, from 710 to 1185, the influence of Buddhism in Chinese culture enriched Japan's administration and architecture. The rise of the samurai warriors began in 1185. The establishment of the shogunate system led Japan's politics for over 700 years, with the emperor serving more as a symbolic leader. During this time, Japan became a military power. In 1603, the Tokugawa shogunate brought stability to Japan, but it also isolated the country from the rest of the world. The Meiji Restoration in 1868 marked the beginning of Japan's rapid modernization. The fall of the shogunate brought the emperor back to power. Japan transformed quickly, undergoing an industrial revolution and expanding its military strength. In 1905, Japan proved its power by defeating Russia in the Russo-Japanese War, establishing itself as a world power. Japan began expanding its empire by invading Manchuria in 1931 and China in 1937. In 1941, Japan attacked Pearl Harbor, drawing the United States into the war. In 1945, after atomic bombings on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, Japan surrendered, marking the end of its empire. After the war, Japan became a peaceful nation under a new constitution, with the emperor serving only as a symbol of national unity. Modern Japan is now a leader in technology and economics. The history of Japan's empire is not just about war and conquest, but also about culture, modernization, and transformation. This story offers valuable lessons for the future.